Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So the first thing, we're simply gonna go ahead access our settings app on our phone, and let's go back, and then we're gonna go to our app. First let's find our Instagram app, and we're gonna go ahead go to this permission section, and here in this notifications option given over here, and now you can see in the notifications we have turned on the sounds, we have turned on the badges, announce notification is turned off for us. If you want to turn on that, we can do it. Other thing you can do with this is that even if you go here, you do not have an option of actually choosing a particular sound for you. So just make sure that you have allowed the notifications, and then afterwards again go back to your settings and go to sounds and haptics, and here in the text tone you're simply gonna go ahead change it according to your liking. But the thing is, if you change your tone for text, all of the notification tone will be changed. It won't be just prioritizedly changed for Instagram. So that is one issue is there. That is how, but you can, if you want to change it to another one, you can simply choose it from over here. Simply choose any one, tap on them, and then this blue tick will appear, and that is it. That is the way you can change it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.